Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make this sweet little rose flower earring. Very sweet, isn't it? And it is simple too. And with this rose, I have made a cute little pendant. Today I am going to show you how to make this little rose with the pearl. So let's get started. For this I am using this shining thread. It is a bit difficult to work with this thread. It is very slippery, but still we will manage to do because it gives a fantastic look. A crochet hook 1.75 mm, this is the post which we have to fix at the back of the earring. I have used some hot glue to fix it. And a pearl, of course. We start with a slip knot and chain 5. Insert the hook into the first chain to make a ring. Yarn over and pull through. We are going to make 12 double crochets, but first chain 2, into this ring make 12 double crochets. Do not count the 2 chains we have made. 1, 2, 3. We have finished making 12 double crochets into the ring. Now make a slip stitch into the first double crochet to complete the first row. 12 double crochets in the first row. Now the next row. This is a bit tricky. We will insert the hook into the ring and take it out from between the 2 double crochets. Insert the hook into the ring and out from between the 2 double crochets. In this way we are going to make 8 double crochets. Let me show you. Yarn over, insert the hook into the ring and take it out from just after the next double crochet. Pull up a loop. We have 3 loops on the hook. We are going to work a double crochet. Pull through 2 and pull through 2. We have worked this double crochet just after the first double crochet of the first row. Now insert the hook into the ring and bring it out from after the next double crochet. Yarn over, pull up a loop and work the double crochet. Continue like this till you have 8 double crochets. We have finished making 8 double crochets in between the double crochets of the previous row. Now we are going to make a slip stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop long enough before you cut it off. Pull the tail tight. This is what we get, and it does not look like a rose at all. Fold the first row on top of the second row. And there you have this cute little rose. Now we have to add the pearl to it. This is a folded wire. I use it for beads and pearls which have a very small hole, and the thread which I am using is thick enough to go into the small eye of a needle. This wire is very helpful. Hold the pearl in place and pull the thread back with the help of a crochet hook. I like this thread very much, but this thread acts very funny sometimes. Anyways, we will manage it. The pearl is in place. Now we are going to tie a couple of knots with both the ends. Before tying the final knot, you can adjust the bead. Cut off the extra thread. This will secure all the fraying edges. Our rose is ready. Now we need to fix the post. Now grab the post, apply some hot glue, and fix the rose on that post. Press it firmly. You can get rid of the extra glue coming out from the sides. Our cute little rose earring is ready. So here our earring and the cute pendant is ready. I know they are not matching, but still you can always make one. I hope this video has helped you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.